Hi everyone, this is Kapil Chauhan and I'm a sugar makeup expert for today. I have something very exciting. This is the favorite part of my makeup that I always love to put on. That's the one I can't skip. Always have to be there. Something that people normally don't put and they don't like to pull it off, but let me show you how to do it and how to rock this look. So keep watching with me. So I have this beautiful collection from Sugar Cosmetics. These are metallic lipstick with the name Smudge Me Not. So let's try these. So the first lipstick that I have with me is number 31, Carmine Shine. So this red lipstick is a twist to classic red lipsticks with a punch of dazzle. So let's start with the application. So this is a perfect red shade that can be carried for your fashion weeks and your night out parties. So here's a tip for you. Whenever you apply this lipstick on the side of your lip, make sure that you're using the tip of the lipstick and always use it vertically, not horizontally. Here's the second lip color with the number 32, Brass Glass. Let's try this. So this is a very beautiful bronze and brown shade which glows with shine and elegance. So this is a perfect brown bronze shade that makes me feel like a bronze goddess, and I can slay this color anytime. So here's another tip for you. Whenever you put any lip color, make sure you put a little bit of foundation to get the true color of lipstick. So here's our third lip color, number 33, Amethyst Twist. So this is a vivid metallic plum shade of radiance and vibrancy. This is a perfect lipstick for your dark, bold and wild looks. Why don't you carry this? Here's our next color, number 34, Mellow. Let's try this one. This is a perfect burgundy metallic shade which radiates power and passion. It's a perfect burgundy color for any festival season that you can rock. Here's another tip for you. Whenever you apply any liquid lipstick, make sure you hydrate your lips very nicely with a lip conditioner or a lip balm. Here's a number 35 color, one of my favorite, Radiant Current. Let's try this one. So this is a burnt, blackened red shade which gives you the feels of the galaxy. So here's an amazing secret about this lip color. Just pop them up like this and this gives an amazing shine on your lips like galaxy. Here's our last but not least lip color, number 36 with the name Pink Clink. Let's try this one. So this is a very beautiful rose gold metallic shade that can never have a dull moment. So for beautiful colors like this, the tip is that you can always carry a nice bold eye makeup with a nice beautiful dress like a dark colors, black or blues. That will rock it. So here are some best things about liquid lipsticks. First of all, they're smudge proof. They will never go away. They will always stay with you when you kiss, when you eat something or drink something. And the best part about liquid lipstick is that you don't need a lip liner with them. So I'm sure after seeing me swatching these all beautiful lipstick, you'll be rushing to the nearest sugar store and buying all of them all together. So please go ahead and buy them all. And if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe Sugar Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so very much. Love you all. Bye.